What is up, guys? It is Dusky coming to you today with another video. Today we are talking about titling your YouTube videos. Shooting and editing a killer online video is only the first step to having a successful video on YouTube. Once you've done all that, you've done a great job making the video, you've done a great job shooting the video, you've done a great job editing the video, you got a sweet looking video. Now, you just need people to watch it. You need people to look at it. You need eyeballs to look at it. How you do that is through your titling and your search engine optimization. Today, we're talking about titling. Every single YouTuber that's out there that's teaching you how to have a great channel is telling you to have a nice title, but what they don't tell you is what you need to do to have that nice title, that sweet searchable title. Can you imagine reading a book or watching a movie and not ever knowing the title of the movie or book? You'd say, hey, dude, did you hear about that movie? What movie, man? That one movie with the people and the things with the stuff. What's it called? It doesn't have a title. That was the most awkward thing ever. Here's just a couple tips that are gonna make your titling just as good as your videos. First and foremost, the title should describe the video. This is probably the most important thing, and sometimes it can kind of be overlooked a little bit. You don't really want to lie to your viewers and say, hey, this video is about cats, when it's really about a makeup tutorial. You definitely want that title to be catchy or intriguing or making the viewer want to click, but you also want to tell the viewer what exactly they're about to watch. If you don't, and you lie to your viewer, that's gonna hurt your brand, that's gonna hurt your community's gonna be not happy with you, and honestly, people aren't gonna watch your videos because they're gonna go elsewhere or they're just not gonna watch it, and then it's not gonna appear in searches. And then, yeah, it's done for. The title should have keywords in it. Your keywords are something that's selected by you whenever you're making your videos. So if I'm making this video, which I guess I kind of am, then I want my video keywords to be titling or titling for YouTube or YouTube titling, something along those lines, something that's very, very related. So if you had to describe your video in 1 or 2 words, those are going to be your keywords. It is very important, and I have stressed this in other videos. You do need to do a little bit of research, a little bit of titling research. And this will help with the keywords. This will help with the verbiage that's used when people are searching for whatever it is that you're making a video about. This is like my first ever video, like standing up. So I feel like I'm like slowly moving closer to that. I'm like gravitating close to the camera. So what you want to do is you want to use your online keyword tools like TubeBuddy. I have the TubeBuddy, my affiliate link down there in the description. So check it out. I do very highly suggest TubeBuddy, whether or not it's paid or not. I think you can get the free one and it does a great job. But when you're titling, TubeBuddy does a great job of helping out and telling you basically what you need to title your video as so that it gets more keyword clicks. So when you're thinking about your keywords, you're wanting to think of synonyms, the verbiage that's often used by people that are in your target market, in your niche. So with this, you could say titling, you could say YouTube titling, you could say content creation titling. I would probably stick with titling for this. So you're gonna see that in the probably description a lot, and you're also gonna see it in the title probably once or twice. The title should entice the viewer. So you do want to tell the viewer what the video is about, but you also want to kind of bait the click a little bit, but you don't want to have clickbait. So when people think about clickbait, they think of, just very, very awkwardly clickbaity, just kind of the stuff that people want to stay away from. You want to stay away from that, but you still want to bait the click a little bit. So instead of baiting the click, I guess I should say you're wanting to encourage the viewer to click on your thumbnail, on your title, on your video. Don't be afraid to be edgy or descriptive or just fun. It all just depends on your brand and what you see your brand as, what you want your brand to be. The title should be short and sweet. So there's a lot of discussion out there about the title length of things. I prefer mine to normally be pretty short and sweet and just pack a big punch initially, because whenever somebody's searching through a list of different various videos, they don't really want to read this video is about YouTube titles and learning how to create effective ones that lead to fantastic search engine optimization and will eventually lead to more clicks with other. They don't want that. So they want something short, sweet, YouTube titling, how to become a better titler or something. Something like that. I haven't quite thought of exactly what I want yet. So one key thing about that is the length of your title. If I have a super long title, only half of it's going to show up in the actual search engine. So if somebody goes in and searches for YouTube titling and I have that long title, they're just going to have see what you can do to make YouTube, or something like that. Something much smaller, something halfway. It's gonna leave the viewer confused, and they're a lot less likely to click on the video. So one thing that I oftentimes ask myself when I'm making these videos, when I'm making my titles, and this includes for my day job as well, I deal with titles of blog posts, I deal with titles of web pages, that kind of stuff all the time, every day. I probably came up with 10 titles for blog posts today that my clients wanted to have on their web pages. Ask yourself, what information is my ideal viewer or my ideal client looking for? And follow that question up with, how does my title answer that question? As always, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Y'all have a fantastic weekend. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do so. It means a lot to me. I do appreciate it. I think we're coming up on 200 subs now, which is fantastic. It's crazy to see. But I got something pretty cool in store for y'all coming up soon. Been making it on my Twitch stream. I do stream on Twitch as often as possible, but I've been streaming a little bit of artwork lately, a little bit of something I can't really say yet, but it's coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and like it. Be sure to check out all my other socials down in the description. I think my Discord's down there, my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff. Anyways, y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.